Did you know that your Fiverr gig title is one of the most important factors in whether clients click on your service? In this video, I'll show you how to craft the perfect gig title that grabs attention and ranks well in search results. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Your gig title is your first impression. It's what appears in search results and determines whether potential clients even bother to click through to your full gig page. Let's make yours irresistible. First, understand the three key components of a great gig title: clarity, keywords, and specificity. Your title should immediately tell clients what you do, include the terms they're searching for, and highlight your unique angle. Start with your primary service followed by your unique value proposition. For example, instead of just, "I will design a logo," try, "I will design a modern minimalist logo for your brand." See how much more specific and compelling that is. Research what successful sellers in your category are using. Look at the top-ranking gigs in your niche and analyze their titles. Don't copy them, but identify patterns and keywords that seem to be working well in your industry. A crucial pro tip: use the exact keywords your ideal clients are searching for. Think about what phrases they would type into Fiverr's search bar. Incorporate these naturally into your title while keeping it readable and compelling. Keep it concise but powerful. You have about 80 characters to work with, so every word counts. Avoid fluff words and focus on benefits. A great formula is, "I will do specific service for target audience that achieves specific result." And there you have it, the blueprint for a click-worthy gig title that stands out in search results. A powerful title can dramatically increase your click-through rate and conversions. If this formula helps you create better titles, please give it a like. What's the most challenging part of writing your gig title? Share your struggles in the comments below. To continue optimizing your gig, subscribe for our next video on how to choose the perfect Fiverr gig category. Thanks for watching.